Namaste. As you all know, prevention is better than cure. So, to prevent yourself from this coronavirus which is spreading the whole world, we will do pranayam. We'll do some yoga practices so that our immune system becomes stronger and it's ready to take a prevention. So, let's start with a pranayam. Pranayam will improve your breathing capacity and increase the level of oxygen in your body. First, we'll do Bhastrika Pranayam. Start breathing. In this, we are opening up every lobes of our lungs so that our lungs get a proper oxygen and relax. Next pranayam. Let's do Kapalbhati, forceful exhalation and the passive inhalation. Flapping the stomach in and out. So you can do up to 60 strokes in a minute. Take a break in between and do up to 10 to 15 minutes. Relax. Next will be Anulom Vilom Pranayam. Anulom Vilom, the alternate nostril breathing, which will balance both your right and the left nostril. Adopt a Nasika Mudra. Close your right nostril with your right thumb. Take a deep breath through the left. Breathe in. It's a slow breathing pranayam. Inhale through the left slowly. Switch and exhale through the right. Breathe in through the same. Switch. Breathe out through the left. And then slowly release, relax. You can do this Anulom Vilom Pranayam up to 10 minutes. Brahmi Pranayam, doing in a slow pitch, will release stress, anxiety and give a nice vibration to your head region. If you want, you can close your ears and eyes with your finger in Shanmukhi Mudra. Let's do 3 rounds of Brahmari. Take a deep breath, breathe in. When we do Brahmari through our nose, as you exhale, breathe in, you chant that humming sound, that bhavra sound, that female humming sound. And you can do 10 to 20 rounds of this Brahmari. Slowly release. Feel the scintillating the head region, calming effect in the mind. Slowly with few blinks, open your eyes. It's a beautiful pranayam. If your mind is calm, automatically your all internal organs will function properly. Now we'll do few stretches synchronizing with the breathing. So let's do hands in and out stretch. So bring both palms together, and as you inhale, expand your lungs, stretch your arms at the back, and exhale, slowly bring your palms together. So let's do 3 more times. Breathe in, expand your lungs, stretch your arms, exhale, bring it together. Breathe in, expand, exhale. This simple technique will build up your immune system, increase your breathing capacity. Inhale, expand and exhale. Relax. You can repeat this 9 to 10 times. Next, we'll do hand stretching. Interlock your finger resting on the chest. Now breathe in, stretch your both arms in front of you. Exhale and collapse your shoulder. Again breathe in, take a deep breath. Exhale and collapse. Again breathe in and breathe out. Relax. Now little bit up above your forehead. 2. Breathe in and breathe out. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Breathe in and breathe out. Now all the way up. Stretch your arms. Exhale and down. Breathe in up and breathe out. One more time. Up and down, and relax your shoulder. Keep doing yoga, if possible 2 times in a day. Do few stretches and pranayama to build up your immune system more stronger and be healthy. Thank you.